Hi everyone! So for today's video, let us run through you to Milea's 6th birthday celebration. So this is the night before Milea's celebration. This is not actually her birth date because her birthday is on December 23. But because it's already holiday season, wala nang pasok sa school, wala na rin siyang classmates, inagahan na rin namin. Also because December 15 will be Christmas party for everyone, mas inagana rin namin. This is a week before Milea's Christmas party. If I could remember, this is December 7, 2023. With me also is Mommy Shay and Zia, Milea's BFF. Nakakatuwa kasi nag-exert talaga sila ng effort to help us tonight. Malapit lang yung bahay nila dito sa school and we really appreciate yung helping hand that they gave us. Actually, nagpahiram pa nga siya ng mga designs for this birthday. And here's the final output. Malapit nang matapos. It's a unicorn birthday because that's Milea's request. O, diba? Ang ganda. Thank you, Papa Hermie. And these also are our Divisoria finds. A week before, Papa Hermie and I went to Divisoria to buy everything for the loot bags and Milea's giveaways. Now we're preparing food boxes. Why I choose food boxes? Kasi last year, we ordered Jollibee and napansin namin hindi halos nakain ng mga bata yung food nila. Inuwi yung iba naman nasayang. So what I prepared are food boxes wherein I prepared food na parang baon lang nila every day. Tapos, yun na yung kakainin nila after the games. And the boxes they can also bring home kung hindi nila mauubos. I don't know if this is workable, but for now, I think bukod sa nakatipid ako, ay may enjoy din ng mga kids yung kanilang food. Bukod pa dyan yung kanilang loot bags and yung mga giveaways ni Milea for her birthday. I believe meron ditong cupcakes, biscuits, cookies, may lollipops, may drinks na rin niyang kasama. And I hope they enjoyed this kasi meron din silang mga food na may uwi sa kanilang mga friends or family or kapatid. Ayan, we're almost done. 2 pairs of hands are really better together. Cheers! So these are the food boxes. Blue for the boys and then meron ding design na unicorn for the girls. And this time, here's our loot bags and giveaways. By the way, the chocolates are from her auntie, Bibi. I'm so blessed kasi every year, meron talaga nagsasponsor ng chocolates for Milea's loot bags. As in, from her first birthday, may nagbibigay from Lola Betchay or one of her aunties. So this time, we have the chocolate minis, which will include in her unicorn loot bag. I bought it from Shopee. Mura lang siya. I think it's 3 pesos. And we'll be giving away it after the party. Si Papa Hermie naman ang ginagawa niya, yung mga lollipops. It looks like personalized kasi it's a unicorn na i-insert mo na lang yung lollipop. Ayan, those are. Hinaluan na rin namin siya ng candies para mas dumami yung bag and ma-enjoy ng mga bata yung mga lollipop. So, here's the final output. Ang cute-cute! Ito yung mga inaabangan ko kapag birthday. Kaya I always prepare this on my kid's birthday. Kahit na simple lang. O, diba? Ang ganda! Thank you, Bibi, for your gift. At, syempre, hindi pa patalo ang auntie. May cookies from Didi at napakasarap, napaka-chunky. And ito na nga pala yung kanilang food box. On the day, these are the lollipops, the giveaways, the design by Papa Hermie and Mommy Shay and Zia. Also, we have cake from Goldilocks. Ayan, customized lang yan, unicorn. Di na ako nagpagawa ng masyadong mahal. And then, these are the food box. Ay, sana ma-enjoy ng mga kids to. Ang cute. And the loot bags. Ang sarap naman mag-party. Pangarap ko lang to dati. And I thank God I'm able to give this to my children. Here's the birthday girl! Oh, kinakabahan pa yan siya. Nahihiya siya. By the way, I did her makeup. And her dress is from Kayla. I just had it printed with the unicorn face sa harap. And I bought her the headband and the wings from Shopee. Ay, naku, pumunta naman agad sa kanyang kumare. At may gift si Sia. Napaka-sweet naman. This is her room. Her classmates. Nahihiya pa siya. I think she's overwhelmed with what she saw. Pagpasok niya, they're singing happy birthday for her. Nakakatuwa kasi talagang ready na rin sila and Teacher Manilyn was very supportive sa kanyang celebrations. Thank you, Teacher Manilyn! Ayan na. Daldala na sila. We're about to start the games na rin and Teacher Manilyn was the one hosted her game and facilitated the games. Napaka-supportive niya and she's really one of Milea's favorite teachers. Oh, games na! Stop dance! Hindi siya nakasali dyan kasi wala pa siyang partner pero they really enjoyed that kasi ang gagaling magsasayaw ng mga bata halatang tambay sa TikTok. Hi kids! Sige, sayaw lang! Thank you for attending Milea's birthday. We appreciate all of you. Thank you for making it memorable for her. After the stop dance, I remember naglaro sila ng The Boat is Sinking and Bring Me. And then after that, nagkain na sila. And they have delivered their message for Milea one by one. We also gave away her loot bags and giveaways to her classmates. So yun lang, medyo mahaba kasi ang aking video. Baka hindi na rin tapusin to. Pero I'm just happy and blessed that God has been able to bless us with things that we can give our children. And I hope one day, sa kanyang dibu, mapaghandaan din namin ng mas mabuti. For now, I'm very happy that Milea is happy and she's with her loved ones today. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope matapos nyo ang aming video and mapanood nyo ang happy celebration ng 6th birthday ni Milea. Thank you for watching. God bless you everyone. Blah, blah, blah.
My coach!
Next game na, The Boat is Sinking. Ayan, kasali na ang aking baby girl. Actually, kasama pa nga rin si Josea dito. Hindi man sila nanalo, but I am very happy kasi enjoy nila ang kanilang pag-groupings. At sobrang pag-grouping sila, doon sila natalo dahil ayaw nilang maghiwa-hiwalay. Nakakatuwa talaga maging bata, no? Parang ang sarap na lang bumalik sa pagkabata. You just enjoy and enjoy life. Go Milea, dance, dance, dance. Mamaya, eliminated na kayo.
Oh, out kayo tatlo!
Bigyan niyo ako ngayon ng dalawang buhok. Dalawang buhok lang, buhok. Dalawa lang. Dali, dalawang buhok. Sino mo na?
Puputulin!
Dalawa. Bilis. Magpulot ng dalawang buhok.
Third game na po. Bring me time. Bring me 2 hair strands daw. Sige, Faith, kaya mo yan. Bunutin mo lang. Go, go, go!
Give them. Ikaw mag-give sa winner. 1 each ha.
Dalawang buhok. Ayan. Mabilis mo ang kailangan sila. Sige. Nawala si Sia. Sia. Sige ba? Sunod.
Unboxing time! So, ayan na yung mga giveaways ni Milea sa kanyang classmates. Giniprop namin para they could also experience opening gifts kahit hindi nila birthday. And also, Christmas time din naman ito. So, ito na rin ang kanyang gift sa kanyang classmates sa Christmas. Thank you, kids! I'm happy you had fun on Milea's birthday celebration. Thank you sa mga mommies pala na nag-help sa akin during this day, nag-assist sa amin na nag-facilitate. Maraming salamat po. Teacher Manilyn, thank you. Papa Hermie and my family and friends, maraming salamat for making Milea's 6th birthday celebration a come true. God bless you all!